Oh god, okay, this is not going to be fun. Enter name. Oh, it's so loud. Start new game. Everything's so loud, and like.
Don't forget.
Some things must
be forgotten. The shadow hunting me. I must hurry. My name is Daniel. I live in London at Mayfair. What have I
This is
done?
extremely loud.
This is crazy. Don't forget.
Am I teleporting to different places?
I must stop him. Focus. My name is. I am Daniel.
Okay, my name is Daniel. So, it seems like I'm actually in the castle. Okay, so this is my inventory. Okay, that's good to know, that's good to know, that's good to know, that's good to know. Yeah, I'm already creeped out from this. This is not cool. So they said you can't fight the enemy, but you can. It's better to run. Why am I am I dizzy? Wait, what was that noise? Wait, what? Yo, that actually kind of creeped me out. I don't know why I did that. Hold down left mouse and move the. Right mouse is door open or shut the door direction to your face. Pick up tinderbox. Can I pick up this? Is it a light source? Tinderbox. What is this? Use to ignite light sources in an environment. Okay. What am I supposed to do now? Oh, I can I can carry a chair. Oh, this is good. This is actually gonna come in handy. Yeah, okay. Alright, chair. You're coming with me. Oh my god. Yo, I'm actually I don't know why nothing has happened, but like I'm scared. So I think I have to go this way. Okay. I have a chair stuck on my point of view. Can I grab it at the right? No, okay, I can only grab it at my left. Okay, we're fine. I wish I had a face cam to see how I look. Okay. Hey, don't scare me like that. Oh god. It said follow the. I'm not going in there. It's telling me to follow the. Yeah, I'm following the liquid. I have a chair. Alright, hold on. Drop it. Alright. I heard footsteps. The minute I hear footsteps. Oh no! I thought I just saw someone move. I thought I just saw someone's leg just like pop by. Oh, why am I? Why am I doing this to myself? I got a chair. Not afraid to use it. You're breathing heavily because you know something's about to come out of nowhere. Oh. Why'd I fall? What the heck? Pick up your chair! No. Someone's yelling, which means we need a weapon. Okay. And if we need a weapon... Oh, I feel like something's gonna happen. I have a weird feeling something's gonna happen. Oh no! Pick up your chair. Oh no. Okay. Charge! Oh. Beware, we're standing in the darkness. Your sanity is only drained. How do you use that, though? Just the question. Your sanity is turn on lights in the environment using tinderboxes or search for other light sources. Now, my question is, how do you use these tinderboxes? Like, I want to... I'm pressing every key in the keyboard right now. Well, these things actually seem suitable. God, okay. Why am I playing this? Why am I playing this? Why am I playing this? The elder children cheered him on, his name voiced in a steadily rising pace, urging him to do it. Am I really doing this? The young boy thought and struck his victim with a rock. Dang! I wonder why they're telling you this. I mean, there's some creepy stuff. Oh! Oh, did I just lose my weapon? Peek! Alright, I'm fine. Peek! Alright. Alright. Okay. Witnessing unsettling events will reduce your sanity. It can be increased by completing the process and making progress. I hear something, and it's not a good feeling. I hear something, and it's not a good feeling. Yeah, your hat might be pounding, alright. Oh my. I hear it. In here. Okay. Okay, buddy. Okay. Keep it steady. I don't like the music either. Music. Can't even say music right. Okay, it's locked. Gotta find a key. Got the key right there. There's not a key. Oh my god. Hey! Okay. Me playing with a box, apparently. Okay, I need to find a key. Oh, wait, what is this? No, move up the other way. Can I grab this? Oh, no, I hear something. No, I just heard a freaking noise. No. Okay, it opened. When filled with oil, press F. You picked up the lantern. When filled with oil, you can be turned on by pressing F. Oh, okay. Okay. Can I pick this up too? Alright, that will come in handy, alright. I'm losing it. Nope. Oh, I hear something behind me. Just... I am concentrate. What is this?
19th of August, 1839. I wish I could ask how much you remember. I don't know if there will be anything left after I consume this drink. Don't be afraid, Daniel. I can't tell you why, but know this. I choose to forget. Try to find comfort and strength in that fact. There is a purpose. You are my final effort to put things right. God willing, the name Alexander of Brandenburg still invokes bitter anger in you. If not, this will sound horrible. Go to the inner sanctum, find Alexander, and kill him. His body is old and weak, and yours, young and strong. He will be no match for you. One last thing. A shadow is following you. It's a living nightmare, breaking down reality. I have tried everything, and there is no way to fight back. You need to escape it as long as you can. Redeem us both, Daniel. Descend into the darkness where Alexander waits and murder him.
Your former self.
Your former self, Daniel.
What? So my former self just talked, or my... So basically, what I just got out of that was that my old self just told me that I'm gonna... Oh man, there's a nightmare following me. Alright, so close the door. Okay. Oh. That was some, Legend of Zelda stuff right there. Did not expect that. Oh, I don't want to go. I don't even have... Let's go. He fell to the kitchen floor. Tears are beginning to well in his eyes. Okay. I'm about to end this episode soon. This is about to literally be episode one's about to come to a conclusion. And nothing good has happened, but
Alexander, is it inside the castle?
In a manner of speaking. Come, bring the lamp. You've been to the refinery, have you not?
I don't believe I have. Is it connected to the... what did you call it?
The inner sanctum. My most precious chamber, Daniel. And it lies well beyond the refinery. In fact, it lies beneath the very stone of Brennenburg.
Brennenburg. Alright, now we're back in reality. No mentals available. Well, let's explore the place then. I mean, technically I just really want to get out of here, but you know, gotta explore. My heart sank for a quick good second. It sank. Okay. So there's people here? Peek. No, the peek. Peek. Laboratory. Oh god, okay, so I feel like you just go on your own way. Laboratory, let's go to the laboratory. I feel a fragrant taste of rose lingered in his mouth. Turkish delights, he thought, just like the ones at the consulate in Constantinople. Constantinople? Oh, I know that. Pretty cool. Lady? I heard you scream. Calling her to... coming here to go help? To come out? No? Do I have anything? Good. I think that's where I have to go. Before we even... Oh, never mind, what the heck? Alright, so there's a door over there. That thing's just completely frozen. And it's very loud. Light up. Let's go investigate it, actually. Okay. I don't think I want to mess with you. Watch. Okay, that happens all the time, apparently. Let's go in here. sounds like a dumb idea, but you know. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm very sorry, okay. Wait, would that happen if I go back there? Oh shoot, that actually hurt me. Sorry. Lantern, here I come. I'm very quiet right now because I feel like there's something here. Beak! Beak! Whoa, 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 whoa.
There should be more coop racks.
Okay, Mr. Scientist. Oh no. What is this? No. Lack of chimney is probably in the fumes. Alright, what is this? I can take these. So there's nothing in here for me to press. I feel like something's gonna appear. Oh my god, I have a bad feeling. I hate it. Just run. Just run. Just run. Okay. Alright. Fine. Man, I saw the reflection of my TV. I thought I literally just saw something just fly by me. Traveling to the donor meant go to the center. Dang it! I didn't read the whole thing. Sella Veneria? Venaria? That doesn't actually scare me. That's just that. What's over here? Chair. Mr. Chair. Oh. Oh, that's disgusting. What the heck? What is this? Oh! Okay. Now I feel like... Okay, I'm just reading that, seeing what that says. Now I feel like we have to go down here. Those are just sides. I really don't know. Alright. It can't be torn by hand or tools. So I'm guessing we're gonna have to get a freaking... Maybe a lighter? Ah, oh, no. Something just growl. Anyways, I feel like we have to get something like a lighter of some sort, and then just like light the whole thing up. I know there wasn't any lighters back then, but I mean, I don't know. Who knows? Okay. Let's jump scare. Just archives. The door slammed shut behind him, and he knew he would never see the old tailor at Berkeley Square. Another lone soul in London seemed appropriate somehow. Wow, that's actually kind of depressing. Just like hearing that just sounds depressing. Oh my god, I might end part 1 soon. Oh, yep, I'm ending it here. I'm ending it right here. Well, I know we haven't seen any monster-looking thing or that nightmare creature that my future self was talking about, but I still got scared from other things. So, I mean, hope you guys enjoyed that. Part 2 will be coming out soon. See you guys next time.